Okay, to close out this unit on 614 on rock cycling, here's a sample of a student journal that completed all the 14 lessons in my unit. So we did the table of contents. We always start off with pre-learning, where I introduced Salt of the Earth activity, which was in our drive, and our notes on minerals. More notes. Then we start lesson 1 on a notice and wonder. And in that notice and wonder, we did the reading, and I put them glue down a map. Then we created our initial model. On lesson 2, we started doing a mountain activity with the data cards, and this was the lesson 2, notice and wonder. We did an activity on what do we see on Earth's surface where we live. How earthquakes are related. And lesson 3 started off with how the Earth was made. And this worksheet about the mountain case cards. This was another activity in my class. And then we started learning about the different types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and the different important aspects of igneous and sedimentary rock. Then we went into metamorphic rock and did a brief explanation of metamorphic. We did this activity in class where they wrote about the places of the Earth. And in lesson 4, we did this below Earth's surface activity. Here's more notes from a student. And then we moved on to this lesson, lesson 5, and an update of our model. Lesson 6, we started talking about transform boundaries, and we glued down some notes. Lesson 7, we learned about volcanoes and the Ring of Fire and oceanic subduction. Lesson 8, we learned about why plates are diverging apart with more notes. Lesson 9, continental collision. And we did the graham cracker activity. Lesson 10, we started to learn about Pangea, and we did Journey the Rock Cycle together. There's more in lesson 10 about Pangea. And we learned about fossil correlation with Wagner's evidence. Lesson 11, we learned about the 3 major pieces of evidence. Lesson 12, where the old mountains are decreasing. With our reading at lesson 13, erosion rates, and more information on mountain ranges and belts. Lesson 13 is still on erosion rates. And lesson 14, we learn about aging of the Earth and fossil correlations on each of the mountains, focusing on catastrophic event, absolute age, with our final model of where our energy is coming from.